Namaste everyone. Hello YouTube. Hello you lovely people. Welcome back to Raj Travel Films. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick look of the new accessories, what has been added on the new 2025 390 Adventure. And after contemplating a lot of options, we have gone ahead with one brand for the saddle stays, for the top rack, and also for the engine guard and the tank guard. So in this video, I'll be giving you a walkthrough of these accessories, and also we have the side stand extender as well. Since the motorcycle has been very recently launched, there are very little options what are available in the market. But so we have gone ahead with the Auto Engina products. I've taken a good feedback from a lot of people whom we have inquired with, how the product, because previously we have never used any product from Auto Engina. For my Dominar and my 390 Adventure, I've always used the Zana products or the GV products on my 390 Adventure. We thought we'll go ahead with Auto Engina because they have come up with the products and it was launched on 30th April. Before that, they have released couple of the videos which gave us a fair insight in terms of how the product looks. A kind of minimalistic design what we have, because we see a lot of the manufacturing brands, they create all over the body kind of the products, the designs. I sometimes don't really like, So if I'm not wrong, our bike is probably the first bike in Bangalore to receive the Auto Engina products, get all the accessories installed onto the motorcycle. I'm not going to wasting much time. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the products. Alright, so let me give you a quick look at the Auto Engina crash bars. These are something which are installed on the new 390 Adventure 2025 version, and this is how it looks. You have the split crash bars. Actually, it's not one unit what you get. So you have these parallel rods what you get here, and this goes something like this. See here. So this comes like this. And this unit, it ends here, and there is another unit what you get here. So this is for your engine protector. All right, so you have two units. Okay, and I feel the work what they have done so far on this, it's really amazing, because you see the build quality, and if you hold it also, you don't feel the weight of these material. So that's something which I've liked, and the fit and the finish quality, this one is really amazing. Okay, so I think these are some of I think this is the first product in Bangalore which have been installed on the 390 Adventure, and this is the first look. If you really want to have a look, so this is how it looks. And also with this one having here, you cannot have additional mount for mounting your fog lamp. So what you can do is you can mount it here, and the lights are mounted below your headlamp, so it's not going to break any rules thing. And then at the rear you have these top box rack what you get here. Okay, and this is how with the top box it looks. एक बार इसको निकालेगा top box. So this is your top rack. The thing is, this plate, this is not a standard plate actually, alright, because I want to show you this. So you see this section here, so there's a small plate which comes actually as per the standard. So with that in place, if you're putting a top box and if you want to have a pillion, so basically there needs to be a space between the pillion and the top box, so that they can lean it. If the top box comes inside, it leaves very little space for the pillion. So because of which, we have removed that original plate. We went for this plate, and this is कौन सा plate है? This one, motor end. This is from the motor end. And what this helped in doing is, it helped us to move this rack a little rear, so that it makes more space for the pillion. And that's how tank bag, the top box will be mounted on this, and this is how it looks. So this also looks quite okay. We felt like this one, rather than a glossy, they could have made the matte finishing one, so that it goes well with your matte finish crash bars. So there is another saddle stays which will come in a week's time. That is also from Auto Engina. There's one more product from Auto Engina. This is your side stand extender. So this is how it looks. All right. So these are the three products what you have from Auto Engina so far. and there is one more which will be your saddle stays. So in a week's time that's going to come.